हेलो। हेलो। रिकॉर्डिंग स्पॉट। हेलो। हेलो। हाँ मैं तो हाँ
I seek the permission of Honorable Chief Justice to raise the next question. Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges of the High Court present, and Honorable Judges who have joined us in virtual mode, Honorable Judges designate, Honorable former Chief Justice, Honorable former Judges of the High Court, Senior Additional Advocate General, officers from Civil and Police Administration, Inspector General of Police, Secretary to the Government, Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs, Deputy Solicitor General of Jammu and Srinagar, President, J&K High Court Bar Association, Jammu, Senior Advocates and members of Bar Associations, Principal District Judge Jammu and Judicial Officers, members of CAT, family members of the Honorable Designated Judges, officers of the district, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable the President of India has been pleased to appoint Shri Sanjay Parihar and Shri Shahzad Azeem to be judges of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh with effect from the date they assume charge of their respective offices. Rashtrapati Bhavan has issued the warrant of appointment. In this regard, Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointment Division has issued notification number K.13021/05/2024-US.1 dated 29th April 2025. First, I will read the notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Sir Shri Sanjay Parihar and Shahzad Azeem to judges of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh with effect from the date they assume charge of their respective offices. Jagannath Srinivasan, Joint Secretary, Government of India. Now I will read the authorization of Honorable the Lieutenant Governor UT of Jammu and Kashmir, whereby Honorable Mr. Justice Hon'ble, Chief Justice High Court of J&K and Ladakh, has been appointed as the person before whom Shri Sanjay Parihar and Shri Shahzad Azeem shall make and subscribe the oath of the affirmation. In exercise of the powers vested in me under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, the written order issued by Ministry of Home Affairs, Department of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh Affairs, while SO 1233, dated 31st March 2020, I, Manoj Sinha, Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, do hereby appoint Shri Justice Hon'ble, Chief Justice High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, as the person before whom Shri Sanjay Parihar and Shri Shahzad Azeem shall make and subscribe the oath as judges of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Signed in English, Manoj Sinha. Now I will read the warrant of appointment of Shri Sanjay Parihar, English version of the warrant. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Sanjay Parihar to be the judge of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 29th day of April in the year 2025, 9th Visakha, 1947 Visakha, in the 76th year of the Republic of India. Signed, President of India. हिंदी वर्षन ऑफ दी वर्ड। मैं द्रौपदी मुर्मू भारत की राष्ट्रपति, भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 217 के खंड 1 द्वारा मुझ में निहित शक्ति से एतद द्वारा श्री संजय परिहार को अपने पद के प्रभार संभालने की तिथि से जम्मू कश्मीर और लद्दाख उच्च न्यायालय का न्यायाधीश नियुक्त करती हूँ। भारत गणराज्य के 76वें वर्ष में आज सन 2025 ईस्वी के अप्रैल मास के 29वें दिन 9 विशाख 1947 शक राष्ट्रपति भवन नई दिल्ली में दिया गया। हस्ताक्षर भारत की राष्ट्रपति। I request Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath to Shri Sanjay Parihar, and I request Shri Sanjay Parihar to make and subscribe the oath before Honorable Chief Justice.
Sanjay Parihar, having been appointed as Judge of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Now I will read the warrant of appointment of Shri Shahzad Azeem. English version of the warrant. By virtue of the power vested in me by clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Shahzad Azeem to be a judge of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 29th day of April in the year 2025, 9th Vaisakha, 1947 Sakha, in the 76th year of Republic of India. Signed, President of India. हिंदी वर्षन ऑफ दी warrant. मैं द्रौपदी मुर्मू, भारत की राष्ट्रपति, भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 217 के खंड 1 द्वारा मुझ में निहित शक्ति से एतद द्वारा श्री शहजाद अजीम को अपने पद के प्रभार संभालने की स्थिति से जम्मू कश्मीर और लद्दाख उच्च न्यायालय का न्यायाधीश नियुक्त करती हूँ. भारत गणराज्य के 76वें वर्ष में आज सन 2025 ईस्वी के अप्रैल मास के 29वें दिन 9 वैशाख 1947 तक राष्ट्रपति भवन नई दिल्ली में दिया गया. हस्ताक्षर भारत की राष्ट्र. I request Honorable the Chief Justice to administer the oath to Shri Shahzad Azeem, and I request Shri Shahzad Azeem to take and subscribe the oath before Honorable Chief Justice.
Shahzad Azeem, having been appointed a judge of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully, to the best of my knowledge, ability, and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection, or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
With the permission of Honorable Chief Justice, I declare the ceremony. Dignitaries and esteemed guests are requested to join us over a cup of tea in the lawn.